Got the Sigma today, stock lenses, and this ND filter. See how it does. And my favorite place to go, just nature. Some interesting looking plants right here. Just a quick test shot. Autofocus on. See a little bit of, maybe I can do something cool with this little shot right here. Put it on manual. Kind of messy. See something pretty nice right here. Cool. There's another cool spider web right over here. Oh man. Really got to turn all the way, that thing all the way up. I don't know, maybe I want to get that. Not bad. I feel like I got a little bit of what looks to be chromatic aberration just based on the preview. But I'm not sure yet. It could be something cool. Okay. Forward. Oh, here's another great little area. If you come at the right time, you can see a deer here. They feed at a particular time. I don't know when. But when you do, you can get a shot of little Bambi out here. But I also love it when people deface things. It's pretty cool. I want to get a picture of that. I like this. I like that. Let's see if I could. What do I need to do? F80 I'm happy with. 200. Load out to 100. Pretty interesting. And I'll do one like this just cause. Why get so dark all of a sudden? Heck yeah. D&B, Dave and Buster's. Alright, we're gonna make our way forward. See what else we can get. Oh, the texture on this tree is pretty interesting. See if I can, oh, clumsy. See if I can get a little close-up of this. A little upshot. Oh, that's pretty cool looking. I like how I have the focus like somewhat in the lower mid section versus it being either on the lower section or on the higher section, because that once again gives us depth, and I love depth. Actually, I kind of have something in mind right here. Based on the clouds and the sky that I'm Probably having a little bit of a exposure issue. Highlight's a little too high, but see if I can snap that one in. Snap it again. All right, moving on. But the way I had that one in mind is I wanted to do a real thin landscape crop. One of those panoramas. I think that'll be kind of cool. Oh man, the light on this one just really hits it. Back down to 100. Oh, that looks fucking sick. F8. That looks like it's a bit too much. Alright. I see something I like right here. I'm gonna grab this one real quick. That looks to be it. Right there. Alright, I don't know how this is coming on the GoPro, but you can only get such a wide view, right? Or actually, if I somehow have this GoPro mounted onto my head or my chin or somewhere, or when I'm moving up and down, it actually follows me. That'd be pretty gnarly. But then it wouldn't be as inconspicuous as the setup I have right now, which is gonna be this setup. Oh, look at this. This is perfect because I have it on f8, and I have the ND filter on, like somewhat kind of midway, and it gives us such a dark look. It looks fucking awesome. Snap. It's pretty interesting, and I'm very curious as to what this is or could be. So I'm gonna go to picture this. So that is poison ivy. Okay. Okay, is that really poison ivy? Jesus. I'm gonna quickly Google that. Poison ivy based on Google Images. It's kind of got that little serrated edges, and this one kind of has. Oh, maybe it is. I don't know. I'm gonna leave that one be. But right over here, I see another opportunity right here that I'm gonna capture really quickly and not fuck with this plant, because if it is poison ivy, really suck. All right. Pretty cool. Pretty all right. Kind of like this rustic look right here, so I'm gonna grab it really quickly. That looks kind of cool. That looks pretty awesome. Again with the bracken ferns. Oh man, everything just looks great on this LCD. Interesting. All right. Well, that was the entire park. Well, not the entire park, but the path that we walked. There's a lot more trails we can continue to go, but I think that was a good little test run. Pretty happy. All right. That sums up this episode. Peace.